Welcome back guys to CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about HNT Helium targets for the bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I highly recommend you go and double check the main page on Twitter, Helium, and like you can see here, it's powered by Solana blockchain. Everything what is now on Sol, it's pumped in Sally, so Sol pumped, airdrops on Sol pumped, so I think it's going to be the trend, the same like ENG, also in the next bull run. So everything what around the Sol blockchain can be pumped and can be useful, you know. I recommend to dive into fundamental of this token. And one thing's what I don't like, every single time when we drop it a little bit on a Bitcoin, we can see the capo hashtag in a trends. So it's kind of weird. So crypto space, it's most weird place ever. We can analyze the chart on a Gate.io here from May 2021. This is the highest point of this token was $58 in November 2021. You know, so this coin in the downtrend from $58 to the lowest point. Let's find the lowest point here. I guess it was here till June 2023. The lowest point was $1.17. Then we got a listing on Coinbase. So here's how it looks like here. USD, Coinbase. This is a listing June 2023. So from $1, you know, we pump it to $6. All right, let's go back to Gate.io. This chart basically is legit. This is the top 5880. This is the main support at 1976, and then we drop it to 27 zone, trade inside 27 zone and drop it under. This is why 27 zone, it's so powerful, you know, zone, but it shouldn't work 100%, absolutely 100% all the time. So we drop it under 27 zone. And the lowest point here on Gate.io in May 2021, you know, was listing was $12.80, highest point 31. Then we drop it down to, from 31, we drop it down to 7. So this was also big deal. The listing, 76% drop. Then from this low, we pump it, even with use magnet, here from 7, 695% profit. Now we drop it to $1. So basically, I would like to show you on indicators what the whales do now. Let's take a look on three sources now. Maximum supply 223 millions, total supply 223 millions, circulation supply 64%. Let's compare with Dropsap. Yes, correct. And on CoinGecko, correct. So we add this circulation supply to our calculator. We can scroll down, no vesting period, nothing. Fundraising rounds. Let's take a look what the price was for funds. Here, seed round, November 2013. Imagine, on a seed round, they raised it to around 3 million, but listed on a Gate.io just in May 2021. So it's a long road, you know. And here's was a private round, August 2021, Andres Horowitz. Invest in this project, but we can't see the price, you know. All right, we got a tier 1 list of big venture capitals, so it's a big deal, you know. So if we use the market cap now at this current moment, 671 million market cap, you know, and if we take a look at the highest point of the market cap in November 2021, this one here, the highest point was around the 5,260 million market cap. So it's huge numbers, correct? With $58.80. So take a look with this current circulation supply. If we hit the correction to 0.5 level by people and 38, so 34 and $39 per coin, you know, correction to these levels, we will see even with 29 $4,174 million market cap. That's power of unlocks. That's power of seed rounds, private rounds, and all this stuff. You know, when we see the last coins into circulation supply, but bigger price. Then we got a lower price, but almost the same market cap. because we got more coins in circulation supply. So look, if you think it's not a big deal, you know, so let's use here June 2023 with a magnet here from the lowest point to hit this high. Look, to hit 0.5 level by Fib, it can be around 3,500% gains. So previously in 2021, May, November, we made only around 700% gains. So the people who fixed profit here, for example, bought it back, accumulating this area under 27 zone, you know, at, let's say here, at $39 with 39, with the same market cap, a little bit higher, with actual market cap, with $39, we will see 3,000% gain. So it's a big deal. A lot of coins can end the bull run like this one because of circulation supply. So this is most conservative price targets and realistic price target, because a lot of people start to build dreams. We hit 82, we hit 121, you know, and all this stuff. So let's take a look. 82, 11 billion market cap. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. Of course, like always, remind you that Dogecoin, just a meme, Dogecoin reached 70 billion market cap. So here, 121, 17 billion market cap. It's only up to you what the main target's waiting for, you know. But I would like to tell you, if you invest in area between $2 and to $1, it's more than okay to fix profit at 0 level, 23, 38, 0.5. Step by step, you can fix 25%, 25%, and leave 50% to new all-time high, maybe. Nobody know how this coin perform because we can't know the timing, you know. Maybe this coin perform in this cycle like this one, then forming actual low and forming that just like a double bottom. And in 2030, the size of this double bottom will be this target. So this is how it works. You can open a lot of charts of coins, you know, and compare the coins in 2017 never beat the all-time high in 2021, no matter what hype was around this coin. If we take a look now on indicator set, what the whales do now with this coin. ADZ, here was accumulation. All this same period whales accumulate. It means from $9 till $1 is more than okay price for accumulation. So it means if the average entry, for example, can be $4 or $5, they can easily put the price once again to 27 zone here, 9 till 12, fix withdraw initial deposit, fix some profit, you know, in this area, and then collapse it down to build the support and ride with the free coins, you know, and start distribute step by step. On direction here was accumulation, almost at the lowest point. That's why you can use indicator set. If we take a look on a monthly, yes, this coin has potential because here all this period was accumulation. So here at $1, yes, lowest point March 2021, $1.15, they accumulate mostly, and we lay down at the bottom on direction. That's why even now after this pump, what we got now, because of listing on a Coinbase, here this coin still has potential. This one, it was 400% pump. Would be good, of course, would be good. If you believe in this project, would be good to see the correction to close this monthly gap, $2.20. But it's not necessary, so we have to close every single time all gaps. You know, we got even a gap, for example, here at 0 level. So maybe we go and close this gap firstly. So nobody knows. And we got only one, this monthly gap and this tiny one. I guess we already closed this one. So the road will be to the 0 level. So it will be good, of course, to see something like this one. But then, yes, we can see the double bottom, for example. So build your average entry, build your strategy when to in and when to out, average exit. And you will be always in profit, you know, because of risk management. So this chart looks more, I can say, bullish than bearish, personally for me, because here was accumulation. Now we only start curve to distribution zone and the direction laid down on the bottom on a monthly time frame. Highly recommend you use indicator set to determine what the best entry and follow the whale steps. Here, depression zone, depression zone, depression zone, all this and period depression. Now we start pumping. Of course, 100% profit, it's more than okay, but we can trade long-term period in this aphoria trill zone. And if we compare this trill zone with this one, it's literally nothing. It's weekly time frame on the market mode. Money power, all the time when you see the money inflow, it means it's good time for accumulation. Even with $20, then, for example, here, $13, then 4 and 1. So average entry around can be 10, but at zero level at 12, you can withdraw initial deposit right with the free coins. You never get the bottom, never sell the top. Now the whales start fixed step by step some profit. If we take a look on trade on, based on trade on, here we got a signal to sell at the top, recommendation close position, take profit. So it means close all your short position from this short, this one. Close to signal to buy. So it's just a matter of time. Here, for example, of course, you have to build a technical analysis, then build your strategy, follow your strategy, and based on your analysis, you can use the indicators for confirmations. So here we got a signal to buy. We got a money inflow, we got a depression zone, we got accumulation on ADZ, we lay down on the bottom on direction, so average entry could be here. So at 64%, you can close your longs, for example, and then write 200% gains. Or wait, for example, 200% profit on a spot. Or wait signal to sell. Now no new signal to sell. We gotta only take profit signal, This is how it works. So everything just depends of your strategy, depends of timing, what you're looking for this token here. Under fulfillment price, one more confirmation, it's okay to buy, to accumulate in this area. Now we almost touched the take profit line. So $5.76, all lines are dynamic here. $5.76, it's take profit line. Buy line at this current moment, it's $2.87. This coin is still not on the Binance, but it's not necessary, so the listing even on the Binance will affect the price insanely. No, you just build your average entry in this area, follow the steps of the whales with custom indicator set, and then the same way you distribute step by step, 20%, 25%, and leave some, I don't know, maybe 50% to this target, if you believe in this target, and then 10% at this area. So it's only up to you. I showed you just a zone where it's okay for accumulation. All this time period, it was a good time for accumulation because we traded on the fulfillment price, depression zone, with two main signals to buy, in accumulation on ADZ and in accumulation on the direction. This is that's why I use my custom indicator set and show you the zones. Now, the zones for distribution and the potential end of bull run for this token can be here. So at least it will be not a mistake if you will fix the profit here. After 3,000% gains, it will be not a mistake. Of course, we can write to new all-time high. Of course, it's just only your perspective and how greedy you are, And like usual, we have a chance, drop down. So my targets is 5 billion market cap around this area. If we go in higher, it's more than okay. But if you fix profit in this block, you will be more successful than 90% guys who will jump in only at this level and stuck with this coin, for example, at this price or at this price. So don't repeat the mistakes of the guys who bought it here and not selling here. And then they was in losses. Always follow your plan. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment about the HNT Helium price targets. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.